Okay, everybody, welcome back. It's now May the 25th, and I'm going to give you a quick under 8-minute update with how the market's trending and my quick thoughts on it. So make sure you join me every day if you'd like to be caught up just like this in a short form format. So my name is Phil, and I've been in the crypto space now, guys, for over 10 years. It's now going on my 11th year. And I've seen 3 major bull markets and 3 major bear markets, and I'm very experienced with how the market trends. I have a lot of experience with the indicators that I use to try to predict and time where these particular bottoms are. So let's talk about what Bitcoin has been doing on a shorter time frame, and then talk about the medium to longer term outlook of Bitcoin. So today we see that Bitcoin has closed off in a very bullish way, short term only. So let's take a look at the weekly candle and understand how it has been trending thus far. So the weekly candle ended up creating some sort of bullish hammer or doji type of candle. And this happened to show up exactly at the weekly kernel indicator that you're seeing here. We've also seen historically that in every single market before, in the bear markets, the super trend indicator has never broken up one time above the super trend indicator in the blue line. It's only broken up above the red line a few times, but never the blue. And this is actually in every single bear market where we're seeing that it only breaks up above the kernel, which goes from green to red once in a while there, but never breaks the blue line. So I just showed you in 2014 and also in 2018 and also in 2021, 2022, it happened as well here, where the super trend indicator never broke above one single time, and instead it ended up just dropping to the downside every time it broke above there. So what we're waiting for is something very similar to happen again. We've called this drop multiple times in my private Discord group. Take a look at the link below, guys. If you are not in my private Discord trading and education group, you will miss out on some of the big updates that I call, and the majority of times I tend to be right. It's a very active community with like-minded people just like yourselves, where we're chasing a certain goal, but more importantly, we have a community to support each other. Spend 3 months with me in the Discord group and you're gonna learn things you never knew were possible, okay? So we called here in the Discord group multiple times talking about the big short. I've helped out multiple clients reach over 7 figures of profit combined this year already by advising them on particular trades like this one right here, like this one already that we've called multiple times. And we've just been calling these amazing plays, and they're not luck in any way. So the reason why we caught this trade right there is because we knew that there would be a bull trap right here after this type of ascending triangle showed up. How did we know that there would be a bull trap there? And the best entry would be the moment that it came right back below that white line. I know it sounds like crazy that we knew that, but if you take a look in the previous year, in 2022, it did the exact same thing. There was a resistance that it was trying to hammer. There was an ascending type of triangle that it was trying to make. And then the bull trap happened right there. And then the moment that it came back down below the white line was the entry. So we use this as hard data to predict what was going to happen just a few short months ago. And that's why we called some major short positions with that regards, with that information that we use from the past. The past tends to repeat itself in many, many ways. Sometimes they can be expanded, sometimes they can be shorter, but nevertheless, they tend to repeat themselves. And what I'm seeing right here is basically a gigantic bearish flag. And there's no other way to see this right now with how Bitcoin is trending. We're seeing Bitcoin possibly make a channel or some sort of A, B, C, D, E that's just waiting to be broken. This channel is too perfect. So we see the bounce at 74K range. Why was 74K extremely important? It was significant because it was where in March 14, 2024, it ended up causing a tremendous amount of chaos in the market where we ended up bull trapping or basically hitting that resistance and then not going anywhere for over 8 months until Trump got elected and sworn in. So that caused a lot of chaos. It was a major resistance. So because of that, we're now seeing a bounce over there prior, and we're seeing a bounce here in this range again. I think that it's going to be a relief rally and nothing more. And regardless of whether it gets to maybe the lower range here first in the channel, okay, or it just simply goes up right now and it doesn't even get up there, where we just simply don't go there first to retest and we make another retest up there, the end product is going to be the same, which is going to be a catastrophic drop to the downside. And why do I predict this? Why do I believe that the bear market is going to continue? Mainly because historical data is saying that the bear market has lasted a specific amount of time before, which was 365 days in 2018 and in 2022. And maybe history is going to repeat itself again in 2026. And also Bitcoin has drawn down between 77% and 88% every single bear market so far from 2014 to 2018 to 2022. So because of historical data, it's impossible for me to believe that Bitcoin is now only drawn down 52% and only about 65% into the bear market relative to the typical 365 days. So not only are we only 62 or 65% into the bear market compared to other bear markets, but we're also only 52% drawn down versus 75% and also 88%. So these statistics make me favor a longer term bear market rather than ending the bull market early, where I believe it's truly impossible to happen. It could happen if there's some major catalyst, but I'm going to trust the statistics from 17 years Bitcoin's been around, but the data more so is fit into around, I'd say 12 to 14 years because of the different cycles. So guys, thank you very much for watching me. I wanted to just give you a very quick, super fast update for everything you need to know. My quick thoughts is, guys, the bear market is still very strong right now. We're still going to head most likely to the downside. Maybe there's going to be a relief rally very short term. To get the best update, guys, make sure you're joining me in the private Discord and education group, and I'll see you there. Bye now.